In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send automated messages on Slack using built-in features, so you don't need any third-party tools or complicated setups. This is perfect if you want to remind yourself, notify your team, or automate simple follow-ups directly inside Slack. If you're using Slack for work, project management, or team communication, this is a must-know feature. And before we dive in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Slack and make sure you're logged into the workspace where you want to send the automated message. This can be any workspace, whether it's for work, a client, or a personal project. Once Slack is open, navigate to the specific channel where you want the automated message or reminder to appear. This could be a public channel, a private channel, or even a direct message with yourself or another team member. For this example, I'm opening a regular channel so you can see how it works in a team setting. Next, click directly on the message box at the bottom of the Slack window. This is the same place where you normally type your messages. Slack has a built-in reminder feature that works using slash commands, and that's what we're going to use to automate messages. Inside the message box, start by typing /remind. As soon as you type /remind, Slack will automatically recognize the command and show you suggestions on how to format your reminder. Now type out your reminder message. For example, you can write something like /remind me to submit the weekly report tomorrow at 10 a.m. or /remind #marketing team to post on social media every Monday at 9 a.m. Slack is very flexible here, so you can remind yourself, a specific person, or an entire channel. You can also set one-time reminders or recurring reminders, such as daily, weekly, or monthly messages. This is what makes it so powerful for automation without any extra tools. Once you've typed your reminder, Slack will highlight the message and show you a preview of how the reminder will be scheduled. Take a second to review it and make sure the time, date, and message are correct. This step is important because once it's set, Slack will automatically send the message or reminder at the scheduled time. When everything looks good, simply press Enter to confirm. After you send it, Slack will display a confirmation message letting you know that the reminder has been scheduled successfully. That's it. Slack will now automatically send the reminder message at the time you specified, whether it's later today, tomorrow, or on a recurring schedule. You don't need to stay online and you don't need to remember it yourself. Slack handles everything for you. If you ever want to manage, edit, or delete your reminders, you can type /remind list in the message box and press Enter. This will show you all active reminders, making it easy to update or remove them if plans change. And that's how you send automated messages on Slack using the built-in reminder feature. It's simple, fast, and incredibly useful for staying organized and keeping your team on track. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.